Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to study history for your SSC board exams. First, familiarize yourself with the complete syllabus and the exam paper structure. This foundational step helps you prioritize topics and understand question types. Next, develop a realistic study schedule, allocating specific time slots for history. Consistent effort over time is far more effective than last-minute cramming. Identify and concentrate on major historical events, their causes, and their impacts. To study effectively, engage actively with your textbook. Don't just passively read, highlight crucial information and make marginal notes. Transform complex information into simple, organized notes, perhaps using visual aids like flowcharts or timelines. This helps in understanding relationships between events. Try to see history as a story, connecting different chapters and topics to build a comprehensive understanding rather than isolated facts. For better retention, employ memory aids like mnemonics or flashcards, especially for dates and names. Consistent revision is paramount. Revisit topics frequently to solidify your knowledge and prevent forgetting. Don't wait until the last minute. Furthermore, practice writing answers to previous year's questions. This not only helps you understand the expected answer format, but also improves your speed and articulation during the actual exam. As you approach the exam, dedicate time to solving sample papers and full-length mock tests. This practice is crucial for managing your time effectively and getting comfortable with the exam environment. After each test, thoroughly review your answers, understanding where you made mistakes and how to improve. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals. Stay calm, confident, and trust your preparation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.